Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to show for you it's like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. Then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Microsoft Edge app. Then you click here on search. Then here Edge, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage is here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for Microsoft Edge, it's going to show for you like this. You will find the update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.